Welcome back to Cooking with Your Agent. I am so excited to share this brand new listing at 19381 Buck Ridge Road here in Grass Valley. Let's go check it out. Oh, wait, what we're cooking today? We're cooking Eggs Benedict over hash browns with avocado Hollandaise sauce with some tahini seasoning. Let's go make it. Hello, I'm Eric Hatch with Century 21, your local real estate professional serving Nevada, Placer, and surrounding counties for over 25 years. I have helped hundreds of families find and sell their homes and pride myself on bringing experience, local market knowledge, integrity, and attention to detail to every transaction. Let me help you create your next experience worth talking about. Welcome inside to this amazing house. I'm so excited to share the features of this beautiful kitchen and the surrounding properties. So we're going to go ahead and start with putting a little bit of oil. We like to cook into kind of a cast iron pan. Now there's different things. I kind of enjoy just getting the hash browns straight out of a bag, which is nice and easy. You can go with a standard potato and shred it if you wish. So we're going to fry these. And what's important here on this is the first time I made these, I like my hash browns a little bit crispy. But when I made it on this with the Eggs Benedict, we didn't necessarily want them super crispy because you don't want too much of a crunch. So we're going to leave these on here for about maybe 6 to 7 minutes, flip them over. But while they're actually cooking here, let's jump over and make the Hollandaise sauce. All right, so while we have the hash browns frying, we got our water boiling for our poached eggs. Let's go into the Hollandaise sauce. There was a party a few years ago that we had 20 people that we were doing this recipe for, and we were getting our traditional Hollandaise sauce over the stove, taking care of it, and it then just fell apart. And my sister-in-law, shout out to Nicole, ran in and says, I have a foolproof recipe and be able to make this so it's 100% turns out every single time. And this is what it is. 3 egg yolks, a 1/4 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a couple of dabs of hot sauce, a little bit of lemon, and 1/2 cup of hot melted butter. So let's go ahead and blend that. You're going to blend these first sauces in here for the first 5 to 6 seconds. Then you're going to add your hot butter after it's mixed. Let's do it. All right, got our Hollandaise sauce all set and ready to go. Our hash browns are almost ready. So while the hash browns are finishing cooking, take some Canadian bacon, drop that in here into the pan as well, just on the sides. Get that going. And then we're gonna go ahead and do our poached eggs, which these will be maybe 3 to 4 minutes inside of boiling water. Bring it to boil, pop these in. You wanna go ahead and gently get as close to the water as you possibly can. Gently drop those in, and while these are finishing cooking, we're going to go ahead. I'm going to get my avocado here and grab my avocado. We're going to go ahead and slice this, and we're going to go and ready to plate. All right, ready to plate here. So let's go ahead and get a layer of hash browns. Place that right here on the plate. Go ahead and get a piece of the Canadian bacon. Drop that right there as well. You could use a slotted spoon if you wish, but I like to grab this little spider. And we'll drop that right there on top. We'll do a little bit of the Hollandaise sauce. Drizzle that right over. We'll fan out a little bit of avocado straight on top there. And then one thing that we absolutely love, which you're going to love, is the tahini lime, the seasoning. And just sprinkle a little bit of that right up on top of that. So there you are, the Eggs Benedict over hash browns with the tahini. You want that egg just to kind of break open and go ahead and grab a bite. Just enough tahini. I like mine a little bit more. It's yummy. So enjoy. I hope you enjoy that recipe. Check out the kitchen and the other features. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful home on Buck Ridge, and we'll talk to you soon.